What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP's bull flag formation. We're going to be looking at Ethereum's ascending triangle, Bitcoin's ascending triangle, and then the S&P 500, which had a small flop yesterday, but not a surprise in any sense. I'd like us to continue to head lower here, and we'll go over all these in a minute with you. But before we dive into this stuff, I just want to let you guys know we are still doing our BidFi giveaway here for an Amazon gift card, BidFi t-shirts, as well as BidFi keychains here. There's literally less than 2 days for you guys to enter. All you have to do is literally click on today's video, just scroll down and click on the gleam right here, and you can get loaded up to this page here. And this is the Crypto TV BidFi giveaway right here. There's currently 96 entries, which is surprising. Over 1,000 views, and nobody wants to partake in the giveaway, which is interesting. Maybe I won't do that if you guys don't want free money. There's really not much to it. All you have to do is sign up to BidFi. It's completely free, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel for multiple entries, and then you can enter every day, which is very exciting if you ask me. So make sure to check this out down in the description below if you'd like to win some free money, as well as some free giveaways here, keychains, so on and so forth here. I think it'll be pretty nice. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Make sure to enter the giveaway as there's less than 2 days. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, first things first, looking at today's video, I just want to pull up my channel here really quickly. You guys can see if it loads. Here we go. Yesterday's video, we talked about the fact that it's almost time for us to see potentially a breakout of some of these major cryptocurrencies. Now, we've been tracking on XRP a pretty solid bull flag formation. And then when it comes to, I believe it was Bitcoin here, we had a very solid, ascending triangle here. We are trending out of it today. Whether or not we can just go like this, you can see here, to just include it here, because we haven't really seen much supports on this uptrend just yet here. So we have some flexibility to move things around, which we'll go over in a minute with you guys here. But we have to look at all these cryptocurrencies, and we're pretty much tracking the means to an end for a lot of these major altcoins, as well as Bitcoin here. You can see a quick refresh of the top 10 cryptocurrencies reveals that we're down 2%, trading at 68 on the Fear and Greed Index, which is good. I think a lot of these cryptocurrencies need to consolidate a bit lower. Bitcoin at 3.8% down. BNB and Solana are like the only cryptos that are really doing well. BNB up 17%. The other cryptocurrencies are all falling lower here, and we need pretty much this consolidative period. It's pretty crazy to think that tomorrow is the last day of this year, and we've seen some pretty incredible movements this year nonetheless. I mean, from where we started from on, XRP and these cryptos to where we ended is pretty wild if you ask me. I mean, we started off, and I'll just draw it to show you guys the percentage gain that we've had across the board. We could just do XRP for right now, but you can see, if I can find the chart here, the price range from bottom here, this was like January 1st, to where we peaked was almost 200%, 180%, and we're currently up about 85%, which is still incredible for this year. So it's pretty nuts. If you just bought in January 1st till today, you'd be up quite a substantial bit. Now, moving forward, what we need to talk about, I guess I also want to look at Bitcoin and figure out how much Bitcoin's moved up to, because I know it's also exploded to the upside here. We take the price range. Where do we have December, January's right here. We move it up to here. We're up about 150%, peaked at 164%. This was an easy descending fractal here. It broke out, started to head up higher. So it was very easy and simple to calculate this here. Now we're in some sort of ascending triangle. But moving forward from that, looking at XRP, we've been tracking a pretty substantial bull flag on XRP, and if we just take this and then move that to, let's say, the breakout point, this could easily send XRP up to 83 cents. That's actually perfect, if you ask me. It's in a perfect trajectory of where we would have a top, where that resistance, that price ceiling would inevitably be here. We take pretty much the flagpole itself, put it at the breakout, and that would give us an approximation of where we would be, moving up to. And that's at about 83 cents, which is peaking the top resistance here. So we do look good, and am a strong believer that a breakout is to come within XRP here. You could even take maybe an Elliott wave. It's not entirely necessary, but if we started it and we did 1, 2, 3, 4. We're looking for number 5 here, which could then break us to the upside here. So inevitably we could correct downwards, retest moving average one last time, and then see that breakout up to like 85 cents here. But regardless, however you want to look at it, this is definitely the 5th bull flag formation on XRP. I did not mean to delete that bottom yellow candle, or sorry, that bottom yellow support. Did not mean to do that. Here we go. And you can see pretty much where we're moving to. So I'd likely think a movement right over to here, whether we break out now or a little bit later. Inevitably, it comes to an end right at about mid to end of January here. I'd say mid-January here. You can see at some point or another, we just need to break through this price ceiling because we've been retesting it constantly here. So at some point we break through this, then we can buy in and long to the upside, obviously doing so on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Not only can you win the XRP BidFi giveaway here for an Amazon gift card here, we also, which you can use, do whatever you want with it. We also have a way to earn up to $2,888 on top of that on BidFi, as well as you can see even here, they have another offer they're doing, but you can win up to $2,888 by completing the tasks down here, which the link is also down in the description below. And then my favorite part about the BidFi exchange is the fact that they're offering a demo trading account right here. You can see you can now practice your XRP and Bitcoin trades using the demo account on BidFi to potentially, buy long, sell short. You can learn how to get familiar with it. You can learn how to use the take profits and the reduce onlys. You can learn how to create the stop limit orders. You can learn how to buy long and sell short, practice your trades, practice my trades. And then if you can get comfortable with it, maybe get a few profitable trades in a row, you can then switch over to the live trading account too, which is super cool. So make sure to check out all these freebies down in the description below. Sign up ASAP. Drawing will be tomorrow. So make sure, actually, we might have to do the drawing Monday because we have all of Sunday to do the drawing here. So we're going to probably do that until the clock runs out. But moving forward, looking at XRP, you can see, like I said, this is pretty much the point we're waiting on, is to fill this gap in here. But like what I meant to say is looking at Ethereum here, moving forward, you can see Ethereum also has an ascending triangle filling in this gap here beautifully. There's a clear price ceiling that we're waiting to play out of. You can see the beautiful bull flag formation as well. And now we're starting to rally out. So if we can break through the price ceiling up top here, this price resistance, then we can buy in long and leverage to the upside. Otherwise, rejection would call for a short down and moving average here, which is something else to think about too. So we're kind of floating around right now trying to figure out what exactly is going to happen. And if we can break through that price ceiling, we can get in for a long position. If not, expect to see a short. But like I said, it's very simple. It's clear. If you're a conservative trader like me, the simple answer would be just wait for the daily price candle to close above the yellow resistance, and then wait for the price candle to close above Ethereum's green resistance right here. And it's that simple. That would be the opportunities to buy in or to short. Same thing goes with Bitcoin here. It's a very similar pattern. We're looking at an ascending triangle. There's a clear price ceiling at the top here, clear support here. You can see we are starting to trend this out here. We did see a bit of a pattern close us below here. I don't think that's enough for me to, rule that we've broken out just yet. There's a good chance we might even need to bend it a little bit more, but for the time being, we still haven't broken out of it. There's only been maybe 2, if not, this could be the second retest of this uptrend here. We're trying to find this bottom support, and when we do find it, then we'll be able to use that as a means of figuring out when the next breakout is, when the next short is, But until then, we're pretty much just slowly tweaking that bottom floor until we get the results that we're looking for here. And it could very well be what we're seeing now. And if it is, then simply put, we break through the price ceiling at the top. That's when we can buy in and long. If not, expect to see a short down and moving average, which could happen too. But all in all, we do look good. It's just waiting for that breakout to come. And once it does, then we'll be able to get that opportunity of buying in, so on and so forth here. Lastly, looking at the S&P 500, I just think we need to consolidate. It's been so long now, and we're still waiting patiently for the consolidation to happen here. Overall, the stock market did incredibly well. This year, it's pretty crazy year end. If we take a trend tool and we grab the price range here from bottom, which was October, we could take, let's do January 1st right here. And then we go to where we are now. We were up 25% from January 1st to where we are now, which is nuts if you ask me. So inevitably, we are doing incredibly well. So we just have to be patient. We are still recovering from all-time highs, but look at how close we are. Not what I wanted to do. We are literally so close to that top. But with any information that I could give you, I do think we are getting pretty close, and I do think we need to correct. I do think we need to consolidate before we head up higher. But next year will, for sure, bring us some very nice results. But with that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.